Hey, what's up everyone, this is Mr. GWS, and recently, a few days ago, I bought the Awei T3 True Wireless Earbuds with charging case. Yeah, not very sure you can focus that. There you go. This is the, not very sure what is it called, the TWS. Doesn't make sense. Okay, let's take a look the specs itself. It's a waterproof IPX4. It has a built-in microphone. It has a one-key operation. I think you can blast. It has a dedicated button on the left and the right, so you can commands like play music player. You can pause. You can skip track, somewhat. It has a economic design, which is slide in just right with your earbuds, and it also can pair with a single one or the double. A single one you can maybe use as a top phone to talk with noise. It doesn't have noise cancelling, by the way, but one thing that I find amazingly great is it uses Bluetooth 5.0. You see that? Yes, Bluetooth specifications, Bluetooth version 5. Yes, V5.0. There's a profile support. Don't know what kind of support it is. I'm not very sure. Standby time up to 150 hours. Talk time 2 hours. Music play time is 1.6. Charging time is 1 hour. Charging voltage is 5 volts. Of course, the range is all the specs here as well. And of course, the casing has its own battery to charge as well, which is, I think each side is 40 milliamps. I think the charging one is like 400 if I'm not wrong. And it is made in China. There's a lot of beauty area, but one thing I want to say is this. 2018 Awei Electronics, all rights reserved by Awei. The logo Awei and Awei Yongwei, trademarks of Shenzhen Yarding Electronics Co. Limited, registered in the PRC / Hong Kong and other countries. You know the exclamation mark on there? Yes, in and other countries. It's not a full stop or nothing, man. It is with the exclamation mark. This is the first time I saw that thing as well. It has a feature as well. Waterproof IPX4, sweat-proof, economic design, comfortable to wear and not easy to fall. Yeah. The stylish portable charging port supports 6 full chargers for earbuds. True double-ear wireless, you can use by single or a pair. Hands-free, calling safe and convenient. Yeah. So let's open and see. Let's focus that again. There you go. These are T3 True Wireless Sport Earbuds. And of course there's an instruction as well. There's a microphone. Not very sure you can focus that. Yep. Microphone, switch USB button. Of course both sides has as well a LED indicator, the charging case and the lamp on the charger. And there is a charging case. Let's take out that first. Of course, yes, it's a battery as well. Of course, you can base it with the earphones, which I will show you later. Of course, there's a bunch of earbud plugs available as well as the medium and large. And of course, the manual is in Chinese and English. Of course, this is a micro USB cable if I'm not wrong. Let's open up and see. Yep. It's a pretty short one, but it's still usable. Micro USB cable. I hope, even though I still hope it uses USB-C, but so far only the Samsung Gear Icon X does that. Other brands still uses standard micro USB. Yep. There's a micro USB input. There's of course the button. Not the button. The earphones. There's 2 of them. Earphones, which I took up right now. And there's the 2 earplugs, which space in between. Of course, it also has its own battery. And there you go. When you plug when you open it up, which is very convenient. Even though I still find I hope there's a rubber grip design so that it's easy to hold, because this sideways is pretty much to hold. Yeah, I'm not very sure that word makes sense, but you get the idea, because even though it's made out of plastic, it's pretty slippery and easy to fall. It's very slicky smooth, so it's pretty easy to drop. And to set up these earphones is pretty easy as well. Let's check it out. My phone. Hey, so let's focus a bit. So when you just go to the menu, just open with the Bluetooth on it. Okay, just swipe. Of course, you have to on the power button as well. I'm very sure you still can hear that. When I press the power button, it will just says power on. Of course, it will choose this Awei T3L. That says it will connect that as well. Of course, there's another earphone. This one is only set on the left. If you want to on with the stereo, make sure to turn on the right side as well to connect both at the same time. Of course, it says it will. Of course, when you turn on the right side as well, it will activate the stereo sides. That means you can play music in stereo, both left and right channels. Of course, I say done, and there you go, the Awei T3L. Now I just off it. It will disconnect the Bluetooth, and when I press the button to off, yes, hold the button to off like this. Of course, the both sides will power off, and that's how you put it back. Twin together. It will indicate that it's charging. Of course, the light is with power on. It's turned on anyway. So there you have it. This is the Awei T3 earphones, which is quite a convenient one. Of course, even though the design is kind of so-called clumsy, because the design is kind of slippery, and there's a full manual instructions. It's kind of crumble. It is a pretty long sticks as well. Pretty long instructions, like a few thousand pages or something. Of course, the other side is in Chinese. This side is in English. So you see, there's a review of the headset. Of course, how to function, how to power on and off. And yep, there you have it. This is the Awei T3 case. Actually, that thing I bought at Q10 for around, maybe you can get it for like 30 or 35 bucks, even though some people get like 40 bucks. But I got this for less than 30 bucks, like 29.99 or something. Of course, with some coupons and shipping involved, maybe it will cost slightly more expensive. So there you have it. This is the Awei T3 True Wireless Earbuds with charging case. But I still hope the rubber case, even though the casing is rubber, I hope the earphones that is in rubber as well, because even though it's plastic, it's really slippery. Not kind of like my liking, but it's still kind of convenient here. So there you have it. And if you like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel, Mr. GWS, and follow on my socials. And as always, I will see you on the next video.